Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add more languages to Google Voice typing on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, you want to go down and tap on General Management. Then swipe down and tap on Keyboard List and Default. Next, tap on Google Voice Typing on the left-hand side panel. Make sure it is switch on. Then tap on Languages. In the list here, go down the list and choose a language that you would like to use. So here, I have English US switch on. Now go down and select any other languages that you would like to use. So in here, we can go down the list and select a language that we want to use. So Vietnamese, Chinese, and then tap on OK. So you can see in the list here, we got quite a number of different languages have been added. So I'm going to choose the primary language as English US. And if we go and open up an app that can bring up the keyboard, in here, if you tap on the keyboard button at the bottom, we can then tap on Google Voice Typing. And I'm going to try to say something. This is a test. This is a test. Full stop. And I can close it. So I can close it, and now we can try in a different language. So here you can see I'm going to bring back Google Voice Typing. Đây là bài thử nghiệm. And you can see it will type in a different language automatically based on what we have selected in the list. And then we can try it again. Ni hao ma. You can see it automatically detects which language I'm trying to use, and it will type in a different language. And that's it. So that's how you can change, or that's how you can add more languages to Google Voice input. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.